This is the third episode of Gravity Cats.
We're floating!
It's gonna get a Gravity Cat up in here.
Yeah. Gonna make it rain up in here. And it starts raining.
How did you do that?
Oh, hi, honey.
Honey, why are you calling me honey?
Because she's her daughter.
Oh, jeez.
Wow.
This is awkward.
There goes my kit. Where's Galaxy Kit, my other kit? I'm waiting. Oh, hey, Misty. How you doing?
Pretty good.
I'm swimming in midair. Da 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 da. Okay, let's retry that.
Wait. We gotta get.
Da 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 da.
Wait. Dun dun dun
Da
dun.
da 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 da.
And we randomly fall and we die.
It's only been a minute. It's just not getting.
It has.
Yeah, see?
Oh wow.
We're not even. Get going. Oh, man.
Yeah, I'm bored.
I'm floating.
I'm bored.
I'm floating. What do you want to do? You want to fight in midair? Play fight. You and me. Right now.
Die.
Ah! What happened to the gravity? Okay, there we go. Dun. Way too close. Remember off of A Dog with a Blog, she whistled to that?
Oh, yeah.
She's like, I can't do it. No.
Yeah.
Ow!
I tried my best.
Okay, wait. Do 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 do